Imagine if I told you that the way you speak could make you a millionaire. Not in the sense of money, but in a way that's far more valuable. Today, we're going on a journey into the heart of Buddhism to uncover this secret. Buddhism is like a roadmap to a happier, more peaceful life. One of the stops on this roadmap is right speech. It's not just about telling the truth, it's about how we use our words to make the world a better place. Words are like seeds. Each word we utter is a seed we plant. A seed has the potential to grow. It can either turn into a beautiful flower or a harmful weed. Similarly, our words can either build or destroy. They can either heal or hurt. When we learn to speak correctly, we harness this power for the greater good. We use our words to build up rather than tear down, to heal rather than hurt, to create rather than destroy. So, how does one become a millionaire through right speech? This is a metaphorical expression. It's not about accumulating wealth in the form of money. It's about accumulating wealth in the form of virtues. By practicing right speech, we enrich our lives and relationships. This wealth of happiness, peace, and spiritual growth is the true millionaire status in Buddhism. Practicing right speech is not easy. It's like learning to play a musical instrument. At first it's difficult, and we make a lot of mistakes. But with practice we get better and start making beautiful music. Similarly, right speech is a skill that we can develop over time. It requires us to be mindful of our words and the impact they have on others. But as we train ourselves to speak in ways that are kind, truthful, and helpful, we begin to see the transformative effects in our lives and in the lives of those around us. The insane truth is that something as simple as the way we speak can transform our lives. It's like discovering a hidden superpower. By using right speech, we can bring more joy and less suffering into the world. It's a simple yet powerful practice that can lead to profound changes in our lives and the world around us. The journey of right speech is a lifelong adventure. It's about learning and growing, making mistakes and learning from them. It's about striving to be a better person, not just for ourselves, but for everyone around us. It's about transforming our speech from a source of harm into a source of healing. Right speech doesn't just affect us, it affects everyone we interact with. It's like throwing a pebble into a pond. The ripples spread out, touching everything in their path. When we practice right speech, we create positive ripples that can transform our relationships, our communities, and even the world. The reward of right speech is a richer, more fulfilling life. It's about finding peace in a chaotic world, building strong relationships, and making a positive impact on the world. It's about experiencing the joy of living in harmony with others and the satisfaction of knowing that our words are contributing to the well-being of others. So remember, the next time you speak, your words have power. Use them wisely, and you'll discover a wealth that's worth more than all the money in the world.